The EveryDollar debt snowball is a popular debt reduction strategy that helps individuals pay off their debts quickly and efficiently. This method was popularized by financial expert Dave Ramsey and is a key component of his financial planning system. To start with the debt snowball, you need to list all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and other financial obligations. Next, sort these debts in order from smallest to largest, with the smallest balance first. This is the key to the debt snowball method, as it allows you to quickly eliminate smaller debts and build momentum. Here is how it works. You make the minimum payment on all debts except the smallest one, which you pay off as aggressively as possible. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you take the money you were using to pay it off and apply it to the next smallest debt, and so on. This creates a snowball effect, where you are paying off debts faster and faster as you go. For example, let's say you have 3 debts: a credit card with a balance of $500, a car loan with a balance of $10,000, and a student loan with a balance of $30,000. You would pay the minimum on the car loan and the student loan, and as much as possible towards the credit card until it is paid off. Then, you would focus on the car loan, and finally the student loan. The debt snowball is an effective way to pay off debt because it provides a sense of accomplishment and momentum as you quickly eliminate smaller debts. It also helps to simplify your finances by reducing the number of debts you have to keep track of. Additionally, the debt snowball can save you money and interest payments over time, as you are paying off debts with higher balances more quickly. To get the most out of the debt snowball, it is essential to stick to your plan and avoid taking on new debt while you are paying off existing debts. You should also consider ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side job or selling items you no longer need, to put more money towards your debts. In conclusion, the EveryDollar debt snowball is a simple and effective way to pay off debt and achieve financial freedom. By following this step-by-step approach, you can quickly eliminate your debts and start building a stronger financial future. Remember to stay focused, avoid new debt, and keep track of your progress to get the most out of this powerful debt reduction strategy.